A quick look at what's happening in Gaza. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has said Israel will now control the entire Gaza Strip, despite growing international pressure over worsening humanitarian crisis in the region. Here's Israel's stance.
Israel has agreed to allow limited amounts of food into Gaza, easing a 2-month-old blockade that has brought the enclave to the brink of famine. But airstrikes killed at least 20 Palestinians overnight after Israel announced extensive ground operations. Casualties arrived at a hospital in Khan Yunis on Monday. Palestinian health officials say more than 500 people have been killed in attacks in the past 8 days, as Israel has stepped up its military campaign, bringing the toll of Palestinians killed in its ground and air war to more than 53,000. Israel has faced mounting international pressure over the blockade on humanitarian deliveries it imposed in March, shortly before it broke a 2-month-old ceasefire. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said Israel aimed to take control of all of Gaza and prevent Hamas militants from looting aid shipments. Hamas has denied involvement in looting. This warehouse containing medical supplies for Nasser Hospital in Khan Yunis was also hit. Hospital director Atif Al-Hout asked how long the world would remain silent.
Today, the stock of medical solutions for patients and the stock of solutions for kidney dialysis patients are being targeted. This quite simply means that kidney dialysis patients are being sentenced to death.
Separately, residents and medics said an Israeli undercover unit who disguised themselves as displaced people killed a militant leader in a raid in the south. Residents said the commander, Ahmad Sarhan, clashed with the force before he was killed, and that the Israelis detained his wife and children before retreating in a bus under cover of fire from the air. Israel's military has announced a campaign dubbed Operation Gideon's Chariots, seeking to eliminate Hamas's military and governing capabilities and bring back the remaining hostages it holds. Senior Hamas official Sami Abu Zuhri said the escalating offensive would put the lives of the hostages at risk. And both sides reported no progress in a new round of indirect talks between Israel and Hamas in Qatar.